Join us on our 8-day adventure to the Galapagos Islands. Located 600 miles west off the coast of Ecuador, this string of volcanic islands is home to amazing wildlife. While hiking on 5 of the islands and snorkeling in their bays, we saw sharks, sea turtles, other aquatic life, young and old tortoises, marine and land iguanas, literally tons of sea lions, blue-footed boobies, frigate birds, and much more. Enjoy.
We're at the Galapagos.
We're on the bus, ready to go to our boat tour. The Coral One.
Here we are. North Seymour Island.
This is a teenage male frigate. He's got a little bit of orange coming under his neck. Soon it will be bright red when he's full-fledged male.
And then the birds, they moved to breed somewhere else, no? And then they moved the track several times already. And so they store in the sponge, they store the water. So the typical situation with the nests and the male one, and he's watching out for the female ones in the air. Look at this, there's one coming and then he starts trying to call the ladies. No? These are female ones. No? Here we go, yeah. That's it. Let's continue this. Building material.
He found a woman.
Yeah. We have a sea lion mom with the baby. Look at this. Baby trying to nurse, no? Yeah.
All right, gonna go see Lonesome George.
The stuffed Lonesome George.
But it's really him, just no spirit. But he's cute. And Charles Darwin Research Station.
All right.
Maybe.
Oh, we're leaving already. Bye, Coral One. Oh. Hey, you need to put a hat out for money.
You do. He is a poser.
So today is holiday carnival. So I don't know. So when Lonesome George died, he was the only and last one from Pinta Island. They sent him deep freeze to the National Museum in New York. So this one is more than 150 years old.
Oh, those two. I saw it.
So where's Fernanda? Fernanda, she's in the back part. She is not open for us. He is from Pinta Island. Pinta Island, they were...
We're going to see his mummy in a minute.
They got all those tortoises for... There's a lot to discover still, no? But we need to do something to keep those animals alive. No? What year did you die? 2012. No?
Plaza Pelican Bay.
I got really good pictures of the Sally Lightfoot crabs.
Yo quiero dos Magnum Bar un chocolate.
Todo.
Magnum triple chocolate bar. Yum.
So good.
Dude, they're like watching those.
Hey, get off my bench. Who would have thought several months ago this would be your 55th birthday? Okay, here we go for the first time, snorkeling from the Coral One. Here's the group. Woohoo!
It's your wife.
And me! Yay!
Boys, when I got the long soup, it's chilly.
They're still there. They're on the bottom. Right underneath me, okay?
Hello.
Look at this guy. On top of the rock.
Did you? We sat there and watched them, and they were like having a fight.
Tenemos que hacerlo rápido otra vez, ¿no? Antes que llegue la siguiente.
Now I really know my mind. I could never let you go. Sweet Caroline, I've never seen so good, so good, so good.